स्पीकर सर, इज द मिनिस्टर अवेअर? स्पीकर सर, आज मिनिस्टरांच मुख्यमंत्र्याक बी धाडपाक गरज ना. आयचे दिसाक तो अनिल को प्रोविजन एक दिन का मुख्यमंत्री तो इज लीडर ऑफ द हाउस टुडे. जस्ट टेक इट एज अ जोक. स्पीकर सर, स्पीकर सर, विल यू अलाउ दिस टू कंटिन्यू?
उल्लास स्वीकार.
विल यू अलाउ दिस टू कंटिन्यू?
उल्लास स्वीकार.
You have no control over your department.
Speaker, sir, what honorable member is saying, I have to look at what the line of jurisdiction is.
तुका देवान बी सांगला
म्हाका देव म्हाका सांगताच.
अशें कर म्हणून सांगता, डिपार्टमेंट सोड म्हणून सांगता.
असेंब्ली न्हू, हांव स्पिरिच्युअल मनीस, हांव देवाक मानता.
अरे देव तो देव नाही रे.
विजय सरदेसाई.
स्पीकर सर, इज द मिनिस्टर अवेअर? स्पीकर सर, आज मिनिस्टरांच मुख्यमंत्र्याक बी धाडपाक गरज ना. आयचे दिसाक तो अनिल को प्रोविजन एक दिन का मुख्यमंत्री तो इज लीडर ऑफ द हाउस टुडे. सो डायरेक्ट त्याच्यान दिवपाक जाता.
हे पयली तेका आतां बाब विजय सरदेसाय परत
बरें, question विचारता मरे.
आसा दिल्ली आनी ते परत हे सांगा.
जालें रे, जस्ट टेक इट एज अ जोक. स्पीकर सर, आर यू अवेअर that in Margao municipality data entry operators are being appointed through the Goa Employment Society in violation of your rules? 10 data entry operators who are relatives, sons and daughters of the councillors are appointed. Will you conduct an inquiry or should I go to the court?
Because
tell me this.
Honorable member has asked the question and answered it himself only.
No, should I go to the court?
No, he has asked a question and he has already answered the question himself. He only has to have that answer. The reason why I am saying this is Goa Human Resource Development Corporation, I have no jurisdiction over it, how the recruitment takes place. I can hold an inquiry.
Municipality is paying their salary.
Even if the municipality is paying their salary, he has to take up this issue with the GHRDC. It has nothing to do with me or the municipality. I have no.
So will you allow this to continue?
उल्लास स्वीकार.
Will you allow this to continue?
उल्लास स्वीकार.
You have no control over your department.
Speaker, sir, what honorable member is saying, I have to look at what the line of jurisdiction is.
तुका देवान बी सांगला
म्हाका देव म्हाका सांगताच.
अशें कर म्हणून सांगता, डिपार्टमेंट सोड म्हणून सांगता की सगळे गाडे हातान
बसून घ्या.
कितें उलयता स्पीकर
विजय सरदेसाई बसून घ्या.
टॅक्स पेयर्स मनी इट इज.
देवाचो विषय असेंब्ली न्हू, हांव स्पिरिच्युअल मनीस, हांव देवाक मानता.
अरे देव तो देव नाही रे.
विजय सरदेसाई.
तो देव नाही रे.
विजय सरदेसाई बसून घ्या.
म्हाका दिसता की बाब विजय.
Will DMA approve this
विजय
proposal?
सरदेसाई.
Speaker sir, I want to just clarify. I just want to clarify this with honorable member that this is a jurisdiction of the GHRDC. I have
अरे
to.
DMA permission is
I
required.
have given permission.
Without DMA permission, तू मंत्री कित्याक जाय थंय?
Municipality to give a particular approval of a particular kind, but that recruitment procedure is not with me.
Yes, उल्लास स्वीकार.
You will approve it?
उल्लास स्वीकार.
Approve it? This is the question.
उल्लास स्वीकार. स्पीकर
You approve it?
I will check on it. What has happened?
प्रश्न विचारत